For tens of thousands of years, humans roamed the earth as hunter-gatherers, leaving almost no trace behind. Until recently, we thought we had a fairly good understanding of our early history. But in the last decade, new archaeological discoveries, advanced DNA analysis, and AI-based research are rewriting what we know about human history before civilization. From hidden structures older than Stonehenge to genetic evidence of lost migrations, and tools far more advanced than we ever imagined, these discoveries are opening a window into a past that has been hidden for tens of thousands of years. Chapter 1. The earliest humans. Modern humans, Homo sapiens, first appeared around 300,000 years ago in Africa. For most of this period, humans lived in small nomadic groups, relying on hunting, foraging, and fire for survival. Recent discoveries in Morocco and South Africa show that humans were creating sophisticated stone tools and possibly even symbolic art much earlier than previously thought. DNA studies indicate that humans interbred with Neanderthals and Denisovans, creating genetic legacies that survive in people today. These early humans were not just surviving, they were innovating, adapting to harsh climates, and spreading across continents much faster than scientists initially believed. Chapter 2. Hidden prehistoric structures. One of the most shocking recent discoveries is the revelation of hidden prehistoric structures. In Göbekli Tepe, Turkey, archaeologists uncovered massive stone pillars and carvings dating back 11,000 years, long before agriculture or cities existed. This challenges the traditional idea that complex societies only develop after farming. Similarly, satellite imaging in the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia has revealed hundreds of ancient settlements buried under sand and soil some older than 10,000 years. These sites suggest that humans may have been forming semi-permanent communities far earlier than we imagined. Chapter 3. The Dawn of Agriculture. Around 12,000 years ago, humans began to transition from hunting and gathering to agriculture. This Neolithic revolution allowed communities to settle and grow in size, creating the first villages. Recent studies using pollen samples, isotopic analysis, and ancient DNA show that agriculture did not develop in a single location. Instead, it emerged independently in multiple regions, including the Fertile Crescent, China, and the Americas. Interestingly, new evidence suggests that early farming communities were experimenting with crops for thousands of years before fully domesticating them. This paints a picture of humans as patient innovators, gradually shaping their environment and diets. Chapter 4. Early art and symbolism. Even before cities, humans were expressing themselves through art and symbolism. Cave paintings in France, Spain, and Indonesia date back over 40,000 years, depicting animals, human figures, and abstract symbols. Recent chemical analysis has revealed the use of complex pigments and binders, suggesting that these were not simple decorations, but meaningful rituals and communication. Carvings, figurines, and beads found across Eurasia hint at spiritual beliefs and social organization. These early expressions challenge the idea that art and culture only flourished in cities. Chapter 5. Lost migrations and genetic evidence. DNA research is revealing previously unknown migrations of humans. Scientists have discovered that groups of humans migrated to Europe, Asia, and even the Americas far earlier than written history suggests. Some populations interbred with extinct human species, leaving genetic traces that still exist in modern populations. One astonishing discovery comes from ancient Greenland DNA, showing that humans may have reached Arctic regions thousands of years earlier than traditional theories predicted. These findings suggest that human prehistory was far more dynamic and interconnected than textbooks indicate. Chapter 6. Pre-civilization technology. Long before cities, humans were already mastering remarkable technologies. Advanced stone and bone tools, early water management systems, use of fire and controlled heating, early weaving, and textiles. Recent discoveries in South America and Africa reveal that pre-civilization humans may have engineered small-scale irrigation and soil management systems, hinting at an advanced understanding of agriculture long before the first cities. Even hunting techniques were sophisticated, including coordinated group strategies and possibly early forms of communication and planning. The story of human history before civilization is one of innovation, survival, and mystery. We now know that early humans were far more capable, creative, and adaptive than we ever imagined. From hidden structures older than cities, to complex migrations and genetic legacies, to tools and technologies that foreshadowed civilization. These discoveries show that our ancestors were laying the foundations of modern society long before history began to be written. And the most exciting part, with new AI technology, satellite imaging, and advanced archaeology, we are only scratching the surface of what remains buried. Every year brings new discoveries that could rewrite the story of humanity itself. This is a journey into the past, where humans were not just surviving, they were creating the blueprint for civilization that we still live in today.